everyone, welcome to my channel Finnews Digest. Today we are going to see one of the deductions in the Income Tax Act 1961 being 80E tax saving on education loan. This is interest on education loan and the deduction is only allowed for the interest amount on the EMI and it is in the financial year. That is all the interest you have incurred in a financial year will be provided for the deduction. Principal amount is ineligible for the deduction, and who is eligible? So only individual is eligible for the deduction, and HUF is ineligible. Okay, what are the terms of the loan? Is that the loan should be taken for the higher education in India or outside India, and it should be taken for self or for your spouse, like husband or wife, or for your children, or for a student of whom you are a legal guardian. Okay, so what is the meaning of higher education? Higher education has been defined as all the fields of study which are pursued after SSC, that is secondary senior secondary education. It also includes all the vocational and regular courses, like if you are opting for post graduation in medicine, engineering, etc. What are the expenses that shall be covered are like tuition fees that you will incur, and travel expenses if the loan is taken for an education outside India, or the lodging expenses, study materials like laptop, or whatever you'll be required for all the educational purpose. And the loan should be taken from bank or financial institutions or approved charitable trust. Okay, so charitable trust should be approved by whom? By central government. There are many which are notified for the deduction under 80E. And the for example, HDFC Credila provides for education loan, Bank of Baroda, SBI scheme. There are many products you can find out which all are eligible and give deduction under 80E. Ineligible loan, yes, there is. If you take loan from friends or family, then you will be ineligible for the loan and no deduction shall be provided. Is there any cap or limit on the amount that can be claimed? So no, there's no limit on the amount of the deduction. If you have taken in a loan, if the interest amount comes out to be 20,000, 30,000, whatever, there's no cap. You can claim the deduction for the whole amount. And individual can claim the deduction where in his return. Okay, the return, if it is assessee is himself, then in his ITR, and if it is taken for the children, then the parents can claim the deduction. What are the documents required is the question. So certificate from the bank where there should be segregation of the principal and interest portion, so the interest amount that is eligible for deduction is clearly visible. Okay, now we'll come to the period of deduction for the interest amount. It is available for 8 years. Okay, and that first year starts from the year in which you start repaying the loan amount, and it ends either when the interest is fully repaid or the completion of 8 years. So if your interest goes for beyond 8 years, you shall not be eligible for the deduction. It is only and only for 8 years. Okay, so there would be a case when the loan gets completed in 5 years, 6 years, or whatever. So you will get deduction for 5 years if the loan is completed within the 5 years. Okay, loan repayment. And if it goes beyond 8 years, then it will only be available for 8 years. So it is available for 8 years until the interest is fully repaid, whichever is earlier. If you find the video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.